Hey Jeff, this is Tony Kashi speaking. I forgot to come by and show you how to upload something into Google Classroom, and I feel twice as bad because I'll be gone tomorrow, so I won't be able to stop down. So I had to do it myself anyway, so I figured I would just talk myself through a video so you could see how I do it, so you can take care of it before the weekend. So what I want to make sure that uh, you do is make sure you know where your meeting notes or whatever you're going to be doing is in your Google Drive, and then you want to be in your Google Classroom, and then you want to click on Red Wing High School PBIS committee, and then I would go over to classwork right here instead of the stream. Then I just create material. That's the one thing that you don't want to make an assignment or anything like that. So you create a material. So I click on that, and then you like ours would be data committee um, notes, and that would be 19, 2019. And so and then uh, last time I showed you a link, it might be actually easier to go through the drive, but before you do that, make sure you put it in the topic that is your committee. So I put Data Committee Notes, that's the title, but make sure we put it in the topic of uh, your committee. Yours would be student focus groups. Yeah, mine's the Data Committee. Then I'm going to go to Drive, and sometimes it would be right in my recent, right? Or you can like go find it in your drive. But the fastest way would just be like if you know the title of it, I would put data committee notes or something like that. And sure enough, that's the second thing that shows up. Megan took notes today, so I'm going to add that there. Um, like I said, I showed you how to do a link last time, and that was a little bit more confusing. So, yeah, so have the title, make sure it's under the topic of your topic, and then find it in your drive wherever it is. And then you can just click post, and then after you click post, it should show up. Mine showed up right there. After you click post, yours will show up right underneath your 9.3 meeting notes right there. So hopefully this is helpful. Shoot me an email if you need any more guidance or you get stuck doing it.